How to add a vertical menu in Wix. So this is very easy. All we need to do is load up the Wix website and then select Edit Site. This will take us to the Wix website editor. Now here from the left hand side, what we need to do is click on Add Elements, and you should be able to see the section for menus and anchor. So once selected, you will see My Menus, Themed Menus, and here near the bottom, the second to last one is Vertical Menus. If we click on it, it's going to show us a list of all of the different vertical menus which we can use. So for example, let's say I want to use this one because I like how it looks. We'll simply left click on it and it's going to add it here to our website. We can obviously position it wherever we want, and you may have noticed that this copies all of our menus here, which are horizontal as well. So what we can do is we can delete this menu from our website and just leave the vertical one, and we can also left click on the vertical one which we have just added, and we can select Manage Menu. Basically any changes that we make to our site menus here, so for example if I delete the rewards page here, it will disappear and it will match the site menu items to our vertical menu. As you can see, I've just deleted one of those and it's gone from the menu as well. So that's basically it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.